So next, let us implement delete method for both the employee and department controller. So we have the delete method to delete a particular row from the given table. So let's just copy the put method and rename it as delete. So we are starting with the department's controller. I'll rename put as delete, and we expect an ID. Okay, so we just need an ID, which based on ID we will delete the given record. So let me just change the query. It will be delete from dbo dot departments where department ID is equal to plus ID plus, I think that's it, plus ID. We don't need this. So that is our query, and once the deletion is successful, we'll return a string which says deleted successfully. If it fails to delete, we'll say failed to delete. Fine. So now let's just test this. And we have to pass the ID in the URL itself. So let me just show you. I'll just paste the URL, and we have to write API/department/ the ID. So let's assume that I want to delete the record from department table. I want to delete the third record. Sorry, this is the employee table. Let me select the departments table. So let's assume I want to delete operations from department. So the ID of operation is 3, so I'll pass 3 in the URL. So I'll write 3, and the method should be changed to delete. So let's send and wait for the response. So we got the response as deleted successfully. So let us just verify the same in the database table. So we can see that the third row is deleted. So now let's do the same thing with the employee table. So we'll go to the employee controller, add the same method, just rename the table to, instead of department it should be employees, and instead of department ID it should be employee ID. Now let's run this. So we'll delete the third record again. We'll delete the record for Mary, whose ID is equal to 3. So here instead of department it should be now employee. So let's send the request, and we got the response as deleted successfully. Let's do a verification. So we can see the third record is now deleted.